time they got left there?
They got about 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Think they ready?
Someone would find out, man.
I want every genre to stand up and bump to this.
Let's do it.
Grab your strings.
Grab the strings.
Your mics.
Your mics.
Your guitars.
Let's get it poppin'. Who's in the building?
Whatever you got.
Nothing but strings.
Let's get it poppin'.